Difficulty in the life of a person is the arrival of troubles and problems, one after the other. Continuous troubles and deprivations are brought upon a person in his life. There is no one who can say that I have not lost anything. A person has to go through hardships in the world, and one suffering after another is heaped upon him. Sometimes through illness, sometimes through pride, sometimes through the sufferings caused by people, sometimes through some other source, and in the world, he is saddened. All these problems are for the world. In the hereafter, Allah will relieve the righteous servants of Allah from all these sorrows. It is not possible to get rid of sorrows in this world. No one wants a life in which there is no sorrow. It is not possible in this world. When people will go to paradise based on their faith and their deeds, then after they go, they will praise Allah. In Surah Faatir, Allah Almighty said, "What will those who go to paradise say? All praise is due to Allah, who has removed grief from us." It is known that when a person goes to heaven, he will get rid of his sorrows, not in this world. It is not possible to get rid of sorrows in this world. Somewhere, for some reason or the other, a person will be deprived of something. Sometimes, someone whom he loved died, wife, husband, children, mother, father, brother, sister, friend. Sometimes hard-earned wealth, capital, house lost in flood, theft for some reason. Ever in the world, the literacy has lived their lives, but the enemies became their cause and some misunderstanding. Why do people do this to me? Sadness will happen. Don't knock on your door. This can't happen on the door of your heart. It will knock and come in. You have to learn to deal with it. No, you can't do that.